Welcome to Luxury Premium Vibe. Welcome to Luxury Premium Vibe. This is the Brabus G-Wagon Turbo Rocket Matte 2026.
Beautiful sculpted body lines, premium and refined.
Parking sensors are sharp and extremely accurate. Lane assist keeps you centered automatically, really smooth, accurate and incredibly reliable. And the 360 camera gives you a full top-down view and beings, perfect for tight spaces and city driving. Ride quality is beautifully smooth, quiet, controlled and premium. Here you can see the advanced engineering, refined, efficient and designed for long-lasting performance. These seats are incredibly comfortable, soft leather, perfect support and smooth recline.
Welcome to the Luxury Premium Vibe showroom. It's a pleasure to finally meet you in person.
Thank you, the pleasure is all mine. This G-Wagon is even more impressive up close.
Yeah.
The greenery, the waterfalls, and this endless road ahead, absolutely magical.
Wow, look at that sunset. This spot gets better every time.
Absolutely, and this Brabus G-Wagon 900 Rocket Matte Black.
This view, Dubai never disappoints.
Perfect spot, perfect moment.
And the fits right in, smooth, clean, beautiful. This deal is done.
Luxury Premium Vibe.
The best experience always. Don't forget to subscribe.